Good morning, class third. Again, we have started chapter number third, that is the light, sound, and the force. At the last time, we have learned about that what is a light, and there are different source of a light. Some natural source of the light, some artificial source of the lights, luminous and the non-luminous objects. And today we have learned that what is a shadow and properties of shadow, transparent, translucent and opaque objects. First, we have start with the topic that is the shadow. You know that light travel in a straight line and they have making thin beam of a rays, and when these rays of light are blocked any object, a shadow of that object is formed. Again, I have repeated that light travel in a straight line making thin beam of a rays. When these rays of light are blocked any object, a shadow of that object is formed. Here you have seen that different times shadows at a different times. When you stand in the sun, you block the path of a sunlight. This is why your shadow is formed. Your shadow formed in sunlight look like you. Again, I have repeated. When you stand in the sun, you block the path of a sunlight, and this why your shadow is formed, and your shadow formed in a sunlight look like you. Stand in the sun once in the morning, once in the afternoon and once in the evening. Observe your shadows. Shadows are longer in the morning and the evening, but it is small in the afternoon. Again, I have repeated that when you have stand in the sun once in the morning, once in the afternoon and once in the evening, observe your shadow. The shadow are longer in morning and evening, but it is small in the afternoon. And we have got it some properties of shadows. First, that one is the shape of the shadow is similar to the shape of the object. Second, the size of the shadow can be smaller or bigger than the objects. And third, shadows are always black in a color. And the last one, shadow always form and on the opposite side of the source of the light. Again, I have repeated that portion, shadow always forms on the opposite side of the source of the light. And here we have learned that transparent, translucent and opaque objects. First, we have start with some transparent substances. We can see through the some things clearly. The allow rays to pass through them, and these are called transparent substances. Again, I have repeated, we can see through some things clearly. The allow light rays to pass through them. These are called transparent substances. Class, today I have been the session here, and we have meet in our next video, and we have learned again what is the transparent objects or substance and translucent and opaque substances and the sound. Thank you, class, and have a nice day.